and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Nikki Michelle for those of you who don't know, and today we're going to be going with this like gold green glittery smoky eye. I don't know what you want to call it, but anywho, it's a bomb ass look, okay? And don't mind your girl hair, it's flat as hell. I needs to wash it. But again, subscribe, comment down below, hit that thumbs up button, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you are notified of all my upcoming videos, tutorials, vlogs. I don't know, I'm just gonna have a bunch of shit on my channel. Just, you don't want to miss out, so make sure you hit that notification bell. Anywho, enough with the rambling, let's get on to this look. As you know, I did my brows off camera because I already have a tutorial where I show you guys how I do my brows. So now, I am going to start with the NYX Honey Do Me Up primer. This joint is bomb. I like the little gold pieces that it has in it. Like I said, I like to mix my products up. Some are high-end, some are drugstore, but whatever. It just, whatever the mood I'm in is what I go for. So I just put a little here. It's a little sticky too. Like, it gets really, like, as you can see, like sticky. So, put a little here. Okay. Get my hair out of my face. Now we're gonna pin my hair. My skin is dry. I have really dry skin. Like really dry skin, especially in the winter time. And I get like dry patches and things like that, but I noticed that this primer here, this NYX Honey Do Me Up, it works really well. It leaves my skin like feeling moisturized, like dewy, you know, so that's cool. Next, I am going to brain freeze. Set a base for my eyelids. I am going to use the Huda Beauty Overachiever Concealer in the color Cookie Dough. Like, this is the same song and dance you guys already know. Like I said, my Overachiever Concealer, my go-to concealer. Also, like I said, I use it to prime my eye. Next, I am going to use my Real Techniques Miniature Blending Sponge. My sponges I keep a little damp. I never ever use a dry sponge. So today's palettes that I'm going to use are the City Mini palettes by Maybelline. I have the 500 Brooklyn Nudes one here that I'm gonna use this shade out of. And also Urban Jungle, which I'm going to use that shade. So these palettes are really cute. Like, I collect a lot of them. I have a lot of them. Well, the few that they have. But they're awesome. And I can take them anywhere because they're small, they're compact. I could just toss them in my clutch or in my purse. I'm good to go. Of course, I have my blending brush here. Tapered blending brush, I should say. A brush, and again, I'm gonna go into this color here. Can you guys see? And we're just gonna use that as my transition color. Next, I am going to go in with my crease brush here with the color, this greenish color here. I'm sorry, the last color I used was like a nude color. I should have said something. My bad. So I'm just going to take this crease brush here. And you already know what to do. The purpose of the crease brush is to what? Get up in them creases. Next, I will be using this NYX Foil Play. It is a cream pigment. And besides pink and blue, gold is another one of my favorite colors. And glitter. Gold and glitter. As you can see, I got all type of glitter on me. Why? Because your girl love glitter. Bitches love glitter. You remember that. And I'm just going to put it on the top of my lids. Gold is something fierce, okay? Next, I am going to use this. It's the L'Oreal Infallible Eyeshadow. These eyeshadows, I don't know if you can see that, are so pigmented. Like, these are awesome. I think I have like every color, like really. And you can get them at like your local drugstore. They're very inexpensive. This is how they look right here, L'Oreal. You can see that. But yes, this is in the color Glided Envy. I am going to use this little miniature brush here, and I am just gonna put that like right after the gold, like in between the gold and the dark green. I'm just gonna put that like right here. I didn't want it right in the center deliberately, like kind of off to the side, like I wanted more of the gold to show, so. And now I'm gonna go back in with my green. And then also just touch up the gold right here. You know, just fade that into it. You'll see, you'll see, you'll see. So you see, look, bring it in close. Don't mind acting, just bring it in close. Okay. See how that's looking? That's nice. Okay, sorry. Okay. Next, we are going to clean up the eyeshadow. I like to do my eyeshadow. Some of the palettes that I use have a lot of fallout. But again, we are going to use this is a Neutrogena makeup wipe. Like I said, the only kind of wipes I use. And sorry, this is already a little dirty because your girl had already used it not too long ago before I started recording this video. So again, y'all know how I do. I just line it up. Look, that joint be coming. Look how it's split. That joint be cleaning up. Nice, okay? Tell me that I'm cleaning up. Next, after I clean up my eyeshadow from all the fallout, everything like zaten like that, we are going to go into our foundation. And the foundation that I am going to use today is the same one that I used in my last video, but I believe I used a different color. It's still the Maybelline Fit Me Dewy and Smooth, but in number 235. And I think I used like 228 last time. Now I'm gonna go in with my my original beauty blender. As you can see, it needs to be clean. Yeah, I need to invest in some more, because like I said last time, this joint is tore up, and from me cleaning it so much. Ladies, ladies, boo-boo kitties, make sure your beauty blender is damp. I cannot stress this enough. Next, we're gonna go back in with the Huda Beauty concealer. Y'all gonna get sick of hearing me say this. Like, y'all gonna be coming off like, yes, we know what you about to use, Nikki. You about to use the Overachiever concealer and cookie dough. We know, bitch. Don't say it again. But you know, new people might be tuning in. Next, we are going to go in with that Huda Beauty Banana Bread Loose Setting Powder. Okay, this is the Remo London Insta Duo Contour Stick. I'm gonna use that today. So listen, I feel like whenever you use a cream contour, you should always set your contour with some type of powder. So I am going to use the NYX highlight and contour palette. I'm going to use this palette here, and as you can see, I use this powder to set my contour. Now that this has baked for a good maybe like 5 minutes, I try to bake under my eyes a little bit longer. I am going to use this powder brush again. This is by True Beauty. I'm sorry. I'm just gonna knock away the take my crease brush here, and I'm going to use a little bit more of that green in the Urban Jungle City Mini palette, and I am just gonna go ahead and put this underneath here. I'm gonna go ahead and set my face because I'm gonna do my mascara and my highlighter, and I like to set my face before I do my highlighter and my mascara. I know last time I forgot to set, so I had to do it at the very end. But today I'm going to use the MAC Prep and Prime in the scent Coconut. I love coconut. So we're gonna let that dry. And I'm gonna use the CoverGirl Lash Blast Fusion. CoverGirl. And this is Lash Blast Fusion. I can't even say that. That's like a tongue twister. Lash Blast Fusion. Lash Blast Fusion. My lashes are actually pretty long, if you can see, and I constantly wear lashes. You would think I would be bald-headed. I feel bald-headed when I don't have my lashes on, though. Video, I couldn't think of the lashes that I used, and I actually got a new pair, so I'm able to share with you what lashes your girl uses. So I use the Kiss Lash Contour in the Folks Minx collection. These, look at these. Aren't those bomb? What? Them lashes I like a dramatic lash, okay? I really, really do. And I like the fact that it's like multiple lengths, curls, and angles on these lashes. Like, I don't know if you can see them. I'm gonna show them to you. Let's see. Like, look at that. What? Glue that I use is the Duo glue because it's white and it dries clear. I don't use no track glue. I don't use no black glue. Like, I'm sorry, and y'all can feel some type of way if you want to each his own. I'm not judging nobody, but I'm entitled to my own opinion, just feel like when people use track glue, it's ratchet to me. That's real ratchet. Sorry, but I'm not sorry. Okay, on to the next. Okay, so I went ahead and I applied my lashes off camera because it's boring. No one wants to see that. If you want me to do a tutorial, which I'm sure I probably will, on how I apply my lashes, then just comment down below. Next, we are going to go with a highlighter. And like I told you before, I never, ever, ever use just one highlighter. I don't know what my problem is. I just never do it. So today, the highlighter that I'm going to use, or the two highlighters that I'm going to use, the first one is the Maybelline Master Strobing Liquid Illuminating Highlighter. This is, this highlighter is to die for, okay? Like, it is so popping. And of course, my Physicians Formula, the Butter Highlighter in Rose Gold, which I can't live without this one. I don't care. I don't care what highlighter I use. Whatever my first highlighter is, I always top it off with the Physicians Formula. Like, this is my go-to highlight. Today, I'm gonna use my Sephora fan brush, number 62. Then I am just gonna use this little brush here for my Physicians Formula. You know, we're gonna fix all that with this brush here. You know, I take that here. Ooh, baby, listen. Like I said before, I usually take this other and just this little small brush here, and I go underneath my brows with it just to give it a little highlight under my brows. Look at that highlight. I'm gonna use this MAC lipstick in the color Luster. Just a nice new lip. No, I'm not gonna line my lips today. Then I'm gonna top it off with my Fenty Beauty Glass Balm in the color Diamond Milk. Yeah. I just need just a little. A little goes a long way with this, okay? There you have it. Oh, you know what? You know what we didn't do? Let's just add a little highlighter here. We're just going to add a little highlighter here. Now we good. See you later.